Hey guys, Gaurav back with another video. So in today's video, I will do the review of Philips Hue. So let's begin. So guys, these are the Philips Hue. I have connected two of the bulbs beside my bed, and these are the color changing lights. It connect to your Wi-Fi router, and it can change the color with your command. If you command Google Home or Siri, or you can use the Philips Hue app or Apple HomeKit app. These are the bulbs which are connected. Let me just quickly show you the inside of this lamp. So this is the bulb, and these are the light strips that I have connected with my table. Guys, as you can see, it's in white color around. Let me just change the color to another so that you can get a better idea. So let me just change the color of table to pink. As you can see, it has been changed to pink. And if I just change this color to green, so as you can see, it's changing its color. And right now I'm using Apple Home app, so you can control this via this, and you can also tell Siri to change the color, or if you have an Android or a Google Home, you can ask Google Assistant. That will also works to change the color of the lights. As you can see, I can change these colors, and right now I'm just changing the color of table. I'm not changing the color of lamps that are beside my bed. So this Philips Hue is available in India at a price of 17,000 if you buy the starter kit that comes with Apple Home Kit, and it includes the bulbs. And if you just want the light strip that I have applied on my table, it cost around 7,500 in Indian market. So you can check buy them online, or you can also buy them offline. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of Philips Hue. If you do like the video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.